This is our 8-ball, guys. Are you ready? Let's open it up. Okay, ready? Let's pop it up. There you go. There's our magnet. It's a pretzel, our new magnet. Let's stick it on. For our packages, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For our first, it's a Ramune, our first one, a new one. For our second, it's a duplicate, our fruit juice. Third, it's an oat jar, a new one again. Fourth, it's a duplicate again, the hickory smoke. Fifth, it's a duplicate again, it's the cooked lobster. And for our last, mac and cheese. I have a new one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe, comment, like, and share.